So I'll do a quick recording on how you can do a double entry accounting just using Google Sheets. And so I have this template in here that has all the accounts, right? Like if Hong Kong dollar, HSBC savings, Citibank savings, inventory, fixed asset plan, right? This is all the accounts that you have. Some of this is in balance sheet, some of this in P&L. And you have the journals in here. So the debit, the positive one is debit, the negative one is credit. You can enter the journals in here, and it will with the accounts that is showing on the next tab. And if you enter the journal correctly, and then you can actually do this have this balance sheet and P&L report on the right. So you can actually change the day. Let's say this is 2003 of July, right? And all the figure will change. So the bottom part is profit and loss account, and the top part is balance sheet. In that case, you don't have to have any accounting systems, but then you need someone who actually take the hassle to enter the double entry in here. I actually think this is good for an accountant, but if you're not an accountant, then it could be hard for someone who is not an accountant and to enter this double entry. I mean, and how you would enter the double entries, let's say this is fee income, right? In the 2022 September 19, right? September 14th, right? And then you just insert two rows, and then let's say in that day, on that day you have actually $100 more fee income on that day, right? So you just copy this day, copy this row, and you paste it here. And then there is let's say there's $100 more of the revenue, right? So you make this double entry. Like this is receivable, that means you're gonna receive it later, and then you can recognize the $100 right away immediately. And all these $100 will be shown in the P&L in the to September. It will be shown in this report. Yeah, it will be part of the sales in here. Yeah, it's fee income. There's $100 in here. Yeah, so I can just toggle it. But let's say if I delete this one, right, and then it will, the $100 will be gone, right? If I put it back on, this will be in again. So I think this is the good systems, and not only that, it's a better system, but also like if you have receipts, right? The good thing about the Google Sheet is you can always you can make it really easy to attach the document with the journal. Like you have let's say you have fee income, right? You're supposed to have an invoice or contract or whatever, right? You can just go to the Google Drive, and then you have let's say you have let's say this one is the receipts, right? This Pandaroo PDF, and then you can just file information, and then you can copy link on that file, and then you go back to that go back here, and then you just paste the link in here. Okay, so that the documents can be easily tied with the journal, and then whoever need to look at the this ledger, and when they want to see the supportings of soft copies, they can always click that link and go into that one. And then the good thing about that too is you don't have to do everything at the same time. If you have, say, 20 minutes that day, you can just like put all your documents into a folder first, and then when you have another 20 minutes the next day, you can attach the linkage, the link to that journal, And then if you have another 20 minutes some other day, you can book the journals in here. So yeah, I think this is this is a system that I think best suit a small community like Dim Sum Lab, and I think everybody can pick it up. So if you want that template, you let me know. I can send it to you. Yeah.